and by favorite I mean only those who subscribe to my channel. If you've not subscribed, go hit that button right now and get into the list of my favorite people. So before we start this vlog, there are two important notices. One is that we'll pause the split vlogs for just one video because we're going to put this in between because it's Koningsdag today. And second announcement is that my brother Akash Punja has asked me to give him a shout out because he thinks I have 1 million followers and that a lot of celebrities watch my videos. So Karan Johar, if you're watching this video, please see that my brother, who looks like this but on Insta he looks like this, is waiting to be casted in your movie. And if you feel he's fit for the role, please cast him as the principal for Student of the Year 15 or as the main lead for Dostana. So that was the shout out for my brother. And today is Koningsdag, which is King's Day, and you'll see the entire Netherlands turned into orange because it's the King's birthday and orange is the color we represent in the Netherlands. So a lot of parties, street parties, carnivals, parades, house parties, flea markets happen, and that's what we'll take you around today. So we'll first start with the park where a lot of kids put up their setups. You'll see a lot of flea markets, a lot of things to buy at very cheap prices. And then if you go towards the center of Amsterdam, you'll see a lot of parties happening, a lot of house parties, a lot of street parties, just too much of alcohol and crowds. So if you want to avoid alcohol, stinky people and lot of people, then avoid the centers. But it's a fun experience. It's a very celebrated day. So let's go, let's begin the vlog and we'll show you around. Yay! You'll see people dressed very differently today. There will be a lot of boats on the canal with everybody in orange, a lot of funky costumes. We stay in a residential area, so it's quite peaceful here, but now we're walking towards the center, so you'll see a lot of fun things. Okay, there is a boat already. You see, it's a party. The entire Netherlands turns into a party place today. So we're now entering the Wandel Park, which you see is like a big flea market today.
Yes, we're ready. 2, 3, 4. Oh,
Okay, yeah.
We just came out of the park and now we're walking towards city center, where you'll not even find space like this to walk on the roads because everywhere there's a party happening. stupid. So we're back home after a very hectic afternoon. Like you've seen the clips, Amsterdam Central is filled with a lot of people. It was a very nice celebration, but we had two types today. So Vondelpark is a much peaceful, relaxed kind of a way to celebrate compared to the center of Amsterdam, because you see the number of people there and how crowded it gets, and it also gets very dirty because people are drinking and throwing the cans here and there. But overall, if you like to party and if you're someone who enjoys noise and a lot of people around or just want to vibe in that energy, then you can always visit the center of Amsterdam. If you are someone who does not like and that's not your vibe, then you can visit one of the flea markets or get into one of the big parks. Vondelpark is one of the very big parks in Amsterdam, and it has this beautiful flea market, and there are a lot of kids selling maybe toys or having photo booths or just in general these little markets with some snacks or something. But yeah, if you like watching a lot of boats passing by with loud music and a lot of people, or you just enjoy dancing amidst the crowd, then the center is a good place for you. So King's Day is celebrated on the 27th of April. So if you plan to visit Amsterdam or Netherlands in April, and if you're here on 27th, always know that the trams, trains, metro services will be limited. Not all trams work towards the center of Amsterdam, so your travel might also be difficult if you plan to travel somewhere there. And you can avoid center of Amsterdam if you do not like a lot of people or a lot of noise. You can always choose to wear very funky outfits or something orange, because you'll see a lot of people in orange. And overall, it's a great time to be here. It's an experience, I would say, and it's just a lot of fun with different kinds of vibes. And if you want to know more about it, you can always let me know, and I'm happy to help. But that's all for this vlog. Hope you liked this little vlog that we made to show you around Amsterdam on King's Day, and stay tuned for more. You know what I'm going to say next. Like, share, comment, subscribe, because it's for free. It's for free. So go do it right now. And I'll see you next time. Bye.